Say Gorkhali sisters.
What is that?
Gorkhali sisters. Just
That
say
is
Gorkhali
our
sisters.
I don't know. I don't know what is that meaning.
No,
Gorkha.
that is-
Do you know what is Gorkha?
Gorkha means
Gorkhas?
Gorkha is a caste, I think.
Yes, not a caste, it's a community.
It's a community. Sorry.
Yes.
It's a big community.
Yes.
Gorkhas.
Gorkhas.
Gorkhalis.
Oh, Gorkhalis. It's a.
We are
even though
Gorkhalis,
there's-
no?
yes.
Though that's why we are sisters for, so we have kept our channel name as Gorkhali Sisters.
Gorkhali sisters.
Because that's our identity.
Okay.
Yeah. Azaz sir bought cake for us. That was a complimentary
Thank you so
from him.
much.
Thank you so much.
That was so sweet of
We told him that we're gonna pay him, but then he's refused to take the money. So thank you so much,
My
sir.
pleasure. My
Do you
pleasure.
have anything to say to us? Any message that you want to give?
Our
Yeah.
message always to our guests is that they are always welcome to be here.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy their trip
Mm-hmm.
and go back home very safely.
All right.
We stand here for our commitment that
Mm-hmm.
we can deliver the best service.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Could you please say Gorkhali sisters?
What is that?
Gorkhali sisters. Just
That
say
is
Gorkhali
our
sisters.
I don't know. I don't know what is that meaning.
No,
Gorkha.
that is-
Do you know what is Gorkha?
Gorkha means
Gorkhas?
Gorkha is a caste, I think.
Yes, not a caste, it's a community.
It's a community. Sorry.
Yes.
It's a big community. Yes.
Gorkhas. Gorkhalis.
Oh, Gorkhalis. It's a.
We are
even though
Gorkhalis,
there's-
no?
yes.
Though that's why we are sisters for, so we have kept our channel name as Gorkhali Sisters.
Gorkhali sisters.
Because that's our identity.
Okay.
Yeah. So could you please say Gorkhali
Gorkhali
sisters?
sisters.
Like,
Like,
share,
share,
and subscribe
and subscribe
to their channel.
to their channel.
Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure.
तपाईँहरूले सोच्नु हुँदै होला कि मैले 10 पल्ट यो स्ट्रिटमा चाहिँ किन फिल्म गरेको भन्दा चाहिँ देयर इज अ रिजन बिकज एभ्री 100 मिटर्सहरूको दूरीमा चाहिँ एउटा न एउटा आर्म फोर्स पर्सनल चाहिँ तपाईँहरूले देख्नै हुन्छ है यस्तो जाडोमा पनि दे आर स्ट्यान्डिङ देयर एन्ड डुइङ देयर ड्युटिज ह्याट्स अफ टु देम हुन्छ नि जाडो भन्न पाउँदैन एउटा देख्नुभयो होइन अब म बोल्दा बोल्दै म बोल्नु खतम हुनु अगाडि पनि दे स्ट्यान्ड अन बोथ द लेन्स हुन्छ नि सो आई एम सो थ्याङ्कफुल टु देम just to protect us and to have our good sleep. So I'm so thankful. म गएर thank you भन्न चाहिँ सक्दिनँ तर I just wanted to film and show this that you know our country's army and militaries are doing great work. Hats off to them and thank you.
Respect to them.
Yes, respect to them.
So guys, this is our last breakfast in Srinagar. अब चाहिँ हामी breakfast खाएर चाहिँ निस्किने हो. Sir, bye बोल दीजिए.
Bye. I hope to see you again, but
Okay.
when you will be married.
Okay.
शादी करने के बाद फिर आ जाओ कश्मीर हनीमून पे.
ठीक है सर, चारों साथ में आ जाए.
चारों साथ में शादी करो.
ठीक है, एक ही साथ में शादी करके तो फिर ये तो 3 BHK है ना, तो हम चारों कैसे
वो
रहेंगे?
हमको 4 भी है ना.
हाँ, 4 में
वही
रहेंगे
हम
फिर.
4 भी है हमारे पास.
ठीक
ये
है.
3 BHK का नहीं 4 BHK है.
आप लोग बहुत अच्छे हो, बहुत मजा आया आप लोगों के साथ.
Thank
थैंक
you.
यू.
Thank
अब
you,
फिर से
thank
मिलेंगे
you.
हम जब ये
इंशाल्लाह.
एप्पल के सीजन होंगे ना तभी आएंगे. अब
जी
फिर
वो
हम
सितंबर
ना
में है.
सितंबर में. हाँ जी,
सितंबर.
ठीक
So
है.
now we are leaving.
Okay. You can make good
They were
picture
very
to us.
good to us. They took care of us.
After 2 year marriage.
Hasna is our friend. Hasna is our friend. Everyone.
After 2 years. And
Bye. See you
Mata
next
Sacha
time.
Apple season.
Next time come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apple
Bye.
season.
Why don't you
Apple
take
season.
Okay, apple season.
Why don't you take picture outside? Let's go.
I hope we did not trouble you.
No. We are so happy with you. You please. Yeah, भाइनाहरू बुवा भाइ छाडा.
अब चाहिँ हामी निस्केको हो अन्तखेरि यस्तो मेस्ड अप बिचाराहरूले लगिदिनु हुँदैछ हाम्रो लगेज
अब हामी निस्केको.
Smoke,
Bye
pieces,
bro.
some charger,
Yes.
mobile, everything is checked.
Yes. Thank you. He is the best.
Hasna is the best.
Like just started.
No, I don't have boyfriend.
Also. That is why you came alone, na?
Yeah, otherwise everyone comes with boyfriend, no here.
That's very big. Because this is the place need a boyfriend.
Yeah.
Sure, I'm
Yes.
telling you true.
yes. Next time we will come with our husbands,
Yes,
okay?
You can come with the husband.
So now अब चाहिँ हामी निस्केको.
Please.
Bye bye houseboat.
Why you should? Why
Okay. So many people have come, no? Okay guys, so now is our last day. अब चाहिँ हामी निस्केको. We are checking out. Guys, how are you feeling?
Amazing. Last day, sad.
Nikita?
Nikita has become one Krish.
हाम्रो शिकारा राईले चाहिँ हामीलाई त्यहाँ पर्खिराखेको छ. So हामी चाहिँ अब निस्केको. Bye sir. Good. Thank you for
My
the
honor
nice.
to have you here.
You all were so good and kind. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
चाहिँ अब चढेको बोट. Natasha and Bhavna say bye.
Bye bye. Bye.
Always. Bye.
It was good. We'll come again soon.
Thank you.
Bye. Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Thank you.
Try to see if we can come in April.
Okay.
We have beautiful tulips here in that season.
Oh.
Tulips, everything.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye, boat house.
Bye. Just look at the view. I want to swim in this. I want to swim.
I don't want to swim.
ऊ त हैन है जो हामीलाई पुराउने उयो हो
No.
We have reached the place जहाँ चाहिँ हामीलाई हाम्रो गाडी पक्रिनु पर्छ. Bye the lake.
अब चाहिँ हामी we are going to airport. हाम्रो ब्यागहरु डल्लै आइसक्यो यहाँनिर. यो हाम्रो शिखरा राइड थियो. This is the view right now. Bye bye, the lake. We had an amazing time here. We'll miss you until we see you next time. Bye, sir. यहाँ चाहिँ यिनीहरू पर्खिरहेको छ. यो हाम्रो ब्यागहरु हो डल्लै. सबको आउटफिट देखाइदियो ल. यहाँ टाढो जाऊ. So this is her outfit. Little Red Riding Hood. This is her outfit. This is mine. So this is the cab in which we are going to at the airport. They are just loading our bags. हिजो पनि हामी उसँगै गएको थिए.
ब्रोसँगै गएको हामी गुलमान.
उ यहाँनिर न्युज रिपोर्टरहरु पनि आइरहेको छ.
6.
Yes.
Four, big one and a
So how are you guys feeling? Huh?
I want to stay back.
How are you
I want
guys
to stay
feeling?
back, but it's very good memories.
Hi, good afternoon, sir.
Srinagarma चाहिँ guys will not be able to film anything
Yes.
because it's a high alert area and due to security reasons. त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ हामी खिच्दैन.
So
अब
now we'll
एकैचोटि
straight
चाहिँ
away see
तपाईहरुलाई
you all in Delhi,
Delhi मा
la?
भेटेर.
Okay,
Yes.
bye भन्दा सबैजना.
Bye.
तपाईहरुले सोच्नु हुँदै होला कि मैले 10 पल्ट यो स्ट्रीट मध्ये किन फिल्म गरेको भन्दा चाहिँ देयर इज अ रिजन बिकज एभ्री 100 मिटर्सहरुको दूरीमा चाहिँ एउटा न एउटा आर्म फोर्स पर्सनल चाहिँ तपाईहरुले देख्नै हुन्छ है. यस्तो जाडोमा पनि दे आर स्ट्यान्डिङ देयर एन्ड डुइङ देयर ड्युटिज. ह्याट्स अफ टु देम हुन्छ नि. जाडो भन्न पाउँदैन. एउटा देख्नु भयो हैन. अब म बोल्दा बोल्दै म बोल्नु खतम हुनु अगाडि पनि दे स्ट्यान्ड अन बोथ द लेन्स हुन्छ नि. So I'm so thankful to them just to protect us and to have our good sleep. So I'm so thankful. म गएर thank you भन्न चाहिँ सक्दिनँ तर I just wanted to film and show this that you know our country's army and militaries are doing great work. Hats off to them and thank you.
Respect to them.
Yes, respect to them.
Guys, हामी चाहिँ finally we have reached Delhi airport. We have हामीले चाहिँ दुईटा जस्तो फ्लाइट मिस गर्यो because हामीले टिकट्सहरु पाएन. So now we are waiting here in T2 for our flight to Hyderabad. हेर्नुहोस् हाम्रो लगेजेसहरु. हाम्रो हालत चाहिँ यस्तो छ. अब अहिले चाहिँ गरम भएर चाहिँ मैले चाहिँ कोट्सहरु सबै खोलेर बसेको. गरम भइरहेको छ. गरम.
So guys, as we are in airport because we missed our flight, so it's already 12:05 and it's Vee's birthday.
We thought that we're going to celebrate her birthday
We thought that we're gonna celebrate her birthday on air, but we got lucky. We are in airport celebrating her birthday. Do wish her in the comment.
I did not blow any candle this time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dearest Lee. Happy birthday to you.
This is the bull's eye cake.
Wish you all the love, luck, and happiness in life.
Thank you.
Guys, you all can see we are in airport right now.
I'll have this white first.
Yes.
How is it? Have that ice cream also now.
Cake How old are you now?
26.
Sweet 16?
Sweet 15.
Sweet Bhavna, no? Sweet Bhavna, I'm vlogging, no?
मेरो फोटो के मेरो किन बनाउन हैन
Guys, we are photo खिचिदे भनेको
I'm looking pretty. I'm looking fat. Don't put that. Wait, which filter is that? Oh my god. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sister. Feed, no, feed.
Cake is amazing.
Yes, feed.
Sister? It is nice, yeah. Yeah, it's yum. My sister? Cream. Oh, the boomerang got his potato. 1, 2.
Alright, then we have got flight to. We'll see you later.
Because we have few more hours.
Yeah. So we'll see you later. Bye bye. We are done with cake cutting. It was a small cake cutting gesture for V.
It was
The
like a
big-
cake cutting ceremony for me.
It was a small gesture. The grand one. The surprise is still there. But now we are heading to the lounge because our flight is around 6:45. So we have a lot of time.
so many flights.
Yes.
Thank you. Please don't mind the sleepy voice of Nikita.
And we traveled on staff travel, so the loads were pretty full, so we couldn't get any flight. So now we are going at 6:45. So now we thought of let's rest.
Nikita, get your card.
Yes. So now we are at the lounge. We are in a queue because there are people there. There is no, guys, there is no KFC in this
in
T2.
Hyderabad, you all buy me KFC.
Okay, anything for you.
That is my
girl.
birthday gift.
After going home, you will have
Anything for
KFC.
That is my birthday gift from you three.
Okay, sister.
Ooh, what the night? Oh, let's have momo, okay? Where? Are you mad?
Do you have energy to prepare
We
momo?
will order from this one, no then. Momo, na? Seven Sisters.
Yeah. So how are you feeling, birthday girl? You have celebrated your birthday for the
I'm
first time in the
flying
airport.
air.
Now I think the whole year you will fly because of
Yeah.
the birthdays you're flying. Don't say that.
So we have come here. This is Plaza Premium Lounge. As you all can see, today is her birthday. So you all, so do not forget to wish her in the comment section, guys. So Natasha, she's got us. She's serving. What is this, Natasha?
This is some soup. I don't know what is it.
Warner is already there. I'll just show you. Warner is there. There's no place. No, it's all full. As you all can see. So how are you feeling, birthday girl?
I'm feeling dizzy, sleepy, giddy, everything. One bottle is enough for you guys with two.
One is enough. What did you order?
Non-veg platter.
We both have ordered non-veg platter. Let's see how is it. But we can just be here till 2:30, no?
Yeah.
I'll just vlog Natasha and Bhavna, okay? So guys, Natasha and Bhavna, they are just waiting for our food. So guys, this is our food is ready. As you all can see, we had ordered for non-vegetarian platter.
Non-veg.
Yes. This Warner and Nats, they both are sitting together, and me and V. Give, I'll carry one, no then.
No, how would you carry your bag?
Chalo. So let's go. I'll just get the tissue paper and come,
By the way,
okay?
this is the second meal of the day for us.
Yes. Okay, so this is our cabinet, and Warner and Nats, they both are sitting here because it's all full, no, so we couldn't sit together.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys enjoy your food. I'll see you later. Bye. So our food is here. So we will have, because this is the second meal of the day, and it's already 12:25, no? So
I want to go to the bar.
yes, and there's no bar here, no.
No,
Yeah.
it's towards the left.
Yeah, so we, after having this, we'll go there. So now we'll enjoy our food, no? Okay, then bye bye.
Finally Hyderabad land भयो. Now we are thinking to go and eat something. यहाँनिर चाहिँ यो फुड कोर्टको सेन्ट्रल चाहिँ यस्तो राम्रो छ, एरो प्लाजा हेर्नुहोस्. So we are going there finally. भावना, नताशा, निकिता हालत पतला भएको छ हाम्रो चाहिँ, because yesterday we started and today we are coming back to Hyderabad. This is a nice and a cool place to hang out. हामीलाई कहिलेबाट खानु मन है नताशा? Pani-puri and dahi papadi chaat. And then we have ordered our food from KFC here. Bhavna is there, Nikita is searching something. I am here. कस्तो भोक लागिरहेको छ हामीलाई चाहिँ, अर्ली मर्निङ हामी चाहिँ यस्तो खाएको.
भिला झन् कहिलेबाट खानु मन परेको पानीपुरी होइन?
बर्थडे गर्ल इज ह्याभिङ पानी.
पानीपुरी खाँदैछ बर्थडे गर्लले. लु भनिदिइहाल कस्तो छ, कस्तो रहेछ तिमी त? यसरी चाहिँ खाँदैछ. तर यो चाहिँ चाट हो,
दही पापडी चाट.
दही पापडी चाट. कस्तो रहेछ?
दामी छ.
दामी.
पानीपुरी भन्दा दामी.
This is our KFC, it's ready. आज एउटा पेप्सी दिनु बिर्सेछ. This is how our table looks like.
म चाहिँ यसको फ्यान भयो, फ्यान.
Food, popcorn rice bowl. यो हो तन्दुरी जिङ्गर बक्स. यो हो चिकन. Coke, हाम्रो favorite popcorn. We will see you once we are done. Bye bye. Birthday girl.
हामी चाहिँ खाइसक्यो, अब फाइनली घर गएको. फाइनली जा घर गएको. कति चाहिँ थाकिसक्यो. वी जस्ट वान्ट टु गो होम, टेक अ शावर एन्ड स्लिप नाउ. हामीले हिजो भ्लग स्टार्ट गरेको, अब भ्लग चाहिँ आज एन्ड हुँदैछ. हेर्नुहोस् है, यस्तो भइसकेको छ हाम्रो जिन्दगीहरू चाहिँ. यस्तो टायरिङ भइसकेको छ, के गर्नु. सुटुक्क आएर बसिहाल्यो गाडीमा.
गाडी के सफा.
गाडी फेरि कम्ता सफा छैन रहेछ,
फेरि कम्ती महँगो छैन.
कम्ती सस्तो छैन रहेछ, खालि 800 रुपियाँ. Finally we have reached Pebble City. हामी चाहिँ फाइनली घर आइपुग्यो. सो आजको भ्लग चाहिँ यति नै हुन्छ होला. थ्याङ्क यू एभ्रिवान फर वाचिङ. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Gurkhali Sisters. Much love from Vishaka, Bhavna, Nikita, Natasha. Bye everyone.